So guys, how's it going? This is the video for today.
Not looking good yet. Oh, look at that sweat stain. That's legit.
No one wants to see it. Anyway guys, we just finished a live in Okinawa today, and I'm gonna take you guys out for the rest of the day. We're gonna vlog this thing. What's the plan? You tell me. You don't know.
I did tell you.
I don't know.
I told you I was gonna go to Sane to Daiso to get congratulatory stuff.
And then what else are we doing?
And then I gotta swing by somewhere and grab a cake for my uncle. And then we're going home, and I'm probably gonna edit my vlog, 200th vlog. And then we also have Ji-chan's birthday.
It's main city. Kit told me to meet her at Mr. Donut. I'm here, but I don't see her. Okay guys, so behind the scenes, we're at a park here. There goes Kit, and she's gonna film some stuff for her 200th vlog, which is so awesome. And there's an announcement going on that I'm sure you can hear. But I'm just gonna walk around and play some Pokemon Go and maybe film some stuff, so let's do that. This is a beautiful view, guys. I got these guys playing tennis behind me, basketball and stuff. You could just see, and then in front of me, you can see the ocean behind me with these mountains. So now, again, with the sushi-ro. Your family really likes sushi-ro, huh? Or do they
It's like
not?
anytime there's a get-together, it's sushi.
They just get sushi-ro?
Yeah. I think sushi is kind of considered, one, a party food, because like you get a big platter and people can just pick. And I think another thing also is it's kind of like seen as a higher end thing, I think. You know, like you have a party, you get a bunch of sushi, because it's fish and, you know, raw, and so like I think it's just a really good party vibe food that's like, you know, instead of just going to McDonald's and getting everyone McDonald's, it's like...
So we just got done picking up KFC and sushi. The KFC back there, a couple of buckets, and then down here is all the sushi. So kind of a special day today, huh? We got 200 vlogs, we got Ji-chan's birthday, it was Takashi's birthday, and we're having a big dinner here. So we still gotta film your 200, so.
We gotta finish it off. I got a bag of stuff to
Okay.
finish it off with.
That was it, guys. That was the vlog. Kit's vlog will probably be a whole lot better. I'm expecting great vlogs out of you, Miss Kit.
Oh, I didn't even get rid of the
I think I was covering it though.
stomach pills.
Yeah, it's Kit's 200th vlog today. And I should be coming up on 100 here.
You should calculate it so we could do something fun. Oh, you guys gotta
Yeah.
see the thumbnail. It's really cute.
I mean, you'll see it.
That's not gonna be a thumbnail, but
Something like that.
something like that.
Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. That was a quick one for me today. Had a little fun doing it. I think I'm gonna have fun editing it. See you in the next one. You're over here. I see you. Okay. Bye.